Hey, Dakota.
Hi.
Are you having fun in the car wash?
Yeah, this is so much fun. This is like my first time in Freddy. But that's gonna kill me though, because he's like, you're not going to a fucking automatic car wash, it's my fucking truck. Yeah, that's a different story though.
Okay.
I hope like, wow, okay, never mind. I'm so happy. Like, 4 different ways. Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so interesting.
Not really.
Yeah, but anyway, my breakdown with Erica, I went and cried at her house for like
Look at that.
2 hours.
That's fucking rad. It's like moving by itself. I didn't have to do any work. I didn't even have to get wet. I was like, yeah.
Well, honey, boys aren't supposed to get wet.
I know. That's stupid. Only girls in white t-shirts that are not in like front of me. Ew. Sick. That is amazing.
Okay. I think you're having way too much
Oh, I think
fun.
this is, wait, I don't know what, this might be wax. No, it's probably just regular water.
It's probably making sure it gets all the soap off.
Probably.
That's what it looks like.
This is fucking awesome. Yay me.
Yay you.
The fuck?
Dakota's first time in an automatic car wash.
Yeah, don't make fun of me, even though it's so easy.
My first time in an automatic car wash, I think I was like 2. And ours had colorful soap.
Exit slowly.
It had like rainbow soap. It was the coolest thing ever. This is your dryer. It's gonna dry it.
Honey, I'm not stupid, I know.
Okay. You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. Just because you're not blonde anymore, that don't mean nothing. I'm sorry, that was mean.
Yeah, it was.
Hey, I'm not blonde anymore, it don't mean nothing. It's like pushing the water around. That's so amusing. Sounds like a really bad thunderstorm.
Yeah, there goes all the trash out of my truck.
That's funny. Well, the back of your truck's clean, no more trash.
I do not look at it. I'd walk to you if I had no other way.
Are you getting out?
Hell yes, look at it.
Is it all nice and clean?
God, this is so cool. I'm like 4 different ways.
Really? Dakota's clean.
What the fuck is this?
Has it ever been that clean?
Oh yeah. Huh.
Was that there before?
I don't know. Okay, bitches, we're going shopping.
Okay. My kick-ass shoes. There used to be a heart in the white spot.
Huh.
Not there anymore. It got washed away.
Moderately interesting, honey.
Mhm.
I'm gonna put that shit on MySpace.
Dakota freaking out.
I am putting that shit on MySpace.
Oh,
I have to
you're
count my money because I don't know how
adorable.
much I had. Okay, you can stop doing that now.
Okay.
Count
don't
my
wanna-
singles.
What'd you do? Become a stripper?
Yeah.
I only thought strippers only got that much singles. They didn't stuff down their thong.